Hey, welcome to Hadi Tutor. This is my first video on this channel, and in this overview video I will talk about the value you will get on this channel and more at the rate Hadi Tutor. Now let's talk about the channel. What type of content I will upload on this channel. I have divided this into 4 sections. The first one is reviews, the second one is teaching, the third one is tips and tricks, the fourth one is freebies. Let's start from the first one, reviews. I will upload review videos about software, apps, tools and other digital products. And the second one is teaching. I will teach you guys digital marketing, e-commerce, WordPress, affiliate marketing, copywriting, SEO and AI. The third one is tips and tricks. I will help you to solve problems by giving Android hacks, computer hacks, and other tech tutorials, and of course freebie will be provided. That sounds great. And now let's talk about me. I'm a Google certified digital marketer and e-commerce specialist, also a web designer and copywriter. I have proudly worked with some startups to help them grow and running some of my own successful passive income projects. So here is the channel growth. 3K subscribers in first 3 months, 10K subscribers in first 6 months, and 50K subscribers. Of course, I will try my best to get 50K subscribers in first 12 months, and of course so on. So here are some freebie rules. I have set some rules for freebies. Please read carefully. Freebies could be any digital value like ebooks, softwares, tools access, courses, themes, templates, soundtracks, graphics and other stuff. So you might be asked to fill form or subscribe to newsletter to get access to freebies, and freebies might be in same niche mentioned on this channel, or something might be something different from this channel. So please show your love by sharing valuable content with your friends, by commenting. I would love to read comment, and by subscribing to this channel, and of course help me grow my channel, and I will help others to grow their channel. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.